Welcome, welcome! Today we're going to do an efficient 10-minute workout that includes a warm-up, the workout, and then a quick cool down on the mat. All you're going to need is the mat and then at least one set of dumbbells. If you have more, awesome, but if not, one is good enough. Let's get started. We're going to start with the good morning warm-up. Hands on your ears, pull your elbows back, and you're going to hinge your hips back. I'll turn it sideways so you can see what I'm doing. We're just going to do 8. This is warming up our glutes and our hips. 7 and 8. Next on deck, we're going to do a reverse lunge and reach. So same arm, same leg. Stack back with the right, reach with the right. We're going to do 8 per side. I'll go sideways so you can see me. You can have your hand on your hip if it's easier. This is a little hip extension warm-up, which means you feel the hip stretch. I'm just turning so you can see all my angles. Just really reach and lunge deeply. And then just one more. Lunge and reach. We're going to do a quick shoulder warm up. I call these the Egyptians. So palms up, look towards that side, and then you just flip. So this is a little shoulder warm up. Can you see how my joints and my shoulder are turning? And then we got one more. All right, and the last part of our quickie warm-up, you're going to alternate trying to reach behind you. As you can see, we're going to do 8 on each side, so it's a total of 16. And really try to reach. And 13. Just 2 more. Excellent. So we should be a little bit warmed up, and now we're going to go into the workout. We got 4 exercises, and you'll just go through it with me. It's going to be a squat and lunge, a high plank knee elbow, a glute alternating press, and then a supinated row. But you could just follow me. So this is where I'm going to have you grab your dumbbells. So this will look like, you can keep it up here. So I'll go sideways so you can see. So I'm going to squat and lunge. Lunge the other side. So you're squatting and then doing a lunge on both sides. We're doing a total of 10. 3. 4. 5. I keep turning so that you can see me. So you can see the angle. 9. And 10. All right, I'm going to set those dumbbells down, and we're going to go into a high plank and knee to elbow. I'll show you. So I'm going to get in a high plank position. Keep your shoulder joints right above your wrists, and then I'm going to count to 10. Sorry, total of 10 on each side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to try to not let your butt pike up. reach that knee to the elbow. All right, one more on both sides. Woo! All right, now we're gonna be down on the floor. And this is where I'm gonna have you use your dumbbells. We're doing a glute bridge, alternating press, and I'll go at an angle so you can see me. So you're gonna bring the dumbbells down with you, like that. You're gonna lift your hips up high, and then we're gonna alternate for 20, 10 on each side. Woo. All right, halfway through. Five more to go. Keep the hips high. And 20. All right. Gently let your butt down. Let the dumbbells drop. And we're gonna come back up. So we're going next into a supinated row, which I'm gonna show sideways, so I think it'd be easier to see. So you're holding your dumbbells, but palms up, like you're gonna be carrying a bowl of soup. That's the best way to remember supinated. I'll show you from the front first. I'm gonna be bent over. We're doing 10. And I'll show you from the side angle. It's the best way to breathe. Breathe out on the exertion. All right. So we're gonna go back into everything one more time, and then we're gonna do a quickie cool down. Can you believe it? That was super fast. Here we go. Squat and lunge. Keep your eyes up. 4. 5. 6. I have to count, otherwise I lose count. I'll face you. 8. We're almost there. 9. 'And last one. This is the perfect full body workout when you don't have a lot of time. All right, we're going to our high plank, knee to elbow. I'll show you from the side view. It's probably easiest. So remember, butt scoop down. I don't want this. And really reach the knee to the elbow. Try not to move anything else. We're halfway through. Just 4 more. All right. Okay. We're going to go to our glute bridge with the presses. Here we go. Do this view so you can see another angle. All right, remember the key is keeping the hips high. As you press, look up at the ceiling. The most important thing for this exercise is keeping those hips high. We're almost there. All right, gently let your butt down, and we're gonna come on to our last exercise, the supinated rows. And remember, if you want to repeat this circuit one more time, totally cool, you can just do it. I just wanted you to get a full 10-minute, know that this is about 10 minutes. All right, remember, palms up, butt back, chest lifted. And look a few feet ahead. One more. And gently come up. And we're gonna do our cool down. So you're gonna set your dumbbells aside. But we're gonna start with feet wide past your shoulders, arms like a starfish. We're gonna reach opposite hand to leg. But keep your knees locked out. Let's step back so you can see me from the side. See how my knees are locked out? We're really just stretching out our hamstrings. All right, just 2 more small exercises. We're gonna do something that's called a dead bug. So start on your back, knees at 9 degrees, arms up, and you're gonna do, it's a little mental challenge, opposite arm and leg. So left leg goes out, right arm extends. So the key thing I want you to do here is maintain, I'm pushing my lower back into the ground, especially when I extend my limbs. Just 1 more on each side. We're almost done. And 10. All right, last thing I'm gonna have you do, I'm gonna lie so you can see me at an angle. Just pull the right knee in, extend your left leg out, and then bring the right knee towards the left side of your body and look over your right shoulder. And then we'll go to the other side. And you will have worked out from warm up to cool down in 10 minutes, or about. Whew. You did it! So, if you like this workout, you know the drill. Please like the video and subscribe down below. I'll see you next time.